Right, so we're going on to the inside cover, and what I've done is I have just clipped together bits and pieces of what I'm going to use. So I've got 2 pieces of acetate. I have removed the barcode strip from this sheet, which is MTPH001. Just going to pop those to the side for a bit, and then I will give you the instructions, because what we're going to do is we've removed the barcode strip, so it's going to sit on here. Might have to remove just a smidgen more, so it's probably about 1/8 of an inch. There it is there, and I'm going to throw that away. And then what I'm going to do is pick up my scoreboard. This inside page is 9 inches, so I am going to score at 8 7/8 of an inch. So popping that on the scoreboard. It's just all my crib notes, so I know what I'm doing. At 8 7/8, so the one just before the 9 inch, I'm going to score that. And then I'm going to pick up my acetate, and I'm going to put the long side, okay, along the top, and I'm going to score. It's 11 3/4. I'm going to score on the 11 1/4, and I'm going to do the same. I think I've actually made a mess up there. I have indeed. Really struggling with my new glasses. I'm just going to grab another one. 11 1/4, and I'm going to take this one, just the second one, and score at 11 3/4. And then I am going to fold it. Do the same with this one, so out of screen, like so, and I'm going to attach one at the top like so, and the other at the bottom, just making sure that they line up. I'm going to use tape for these, just so that if I have made a mistake I can undo them. Lost my scissors. How unusual. Does anybody else lose their stuff like I do? That drives me absolutely crazy. I know that I was sitting here cleaning them up last night because they had glue all over them, and now I don't know where I put them after cleaning them beautifully. Okay, so I'm just going to roughly center it, so eyeballing it in place. And then I'm going to come in from the other side. should not have the album underneath this. Is it not good practice to be working on it? I think it also makes it a little bit more difficult for you to see what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm lining up just what I was worried about has happened. I've moved it ever so slightly. Eek. So we have it lined up. That way we can add quite a few photos without destroying the actual image, and then we've got a folder where we can now create a photo as well. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to attach it to the front of the album like so. Can glue it as well. Where did I put my scissors? Honestly, oh, there they are. I only use red scissors for cutting. I don't know if you've noticed, but I only use red scissors for cutting tape. Of my small scissors, I've only ever used these red scissors to cut the tape. Okay, so let's just make sure we've got it the right way around. This is my long piece. Right, so I've now got it anchored, and I can then stick the balance down with glue, or the inside of it. And stick down. So we'll have a page opening there, and then we'll have a flap up and a flap that way, and we will still have the image, and you can build up your photos or your interest from there.